This is my favorite way to make the best, perfectly golden, crispy hash browns. To make this recipe, you'll need about 2 pounds of russet potatoes, 4 ounces of butter, salt and fresh ground black pepper to taste, and about 1 tablespoon of herbes de Provence. I like to start by peeling those potatoes over a piece of parchment paper that makes cleanup a snap. With the help of an inexpensive Japanese mandoline, simply slice those potatoes using the julienne blade on the thinnest setting. Once you've sliced all your potatoes, you'll add them to a bowl and give them a quick rinse in some cold water to remove some of that excess starch. Once drained, you want to dry those potatoes between 2 very clean kitchen towels to remove as much excess moisture as possible. This will encourage beautiful browning and make those hash browns extra crispy. Add those dried potato slices to a bowl and then bathe with 4 ounces of melted butter and season with sea salt and black pepper while tossing thoroughly to coat. Add your dried herbs and give a final mix before getting ready to throw these in a pan. Add about a tablespoon of olive oil to a nonstick fry pan over medium-high heat, and when shimmering, add your potatoes. Using a rubber spatula, I like to press those potatoes down to create as much contact with the bottom of the pan as possible. I also like to clean up the edges by tucking in any loose potato strands. Reduce the heat to medium and let this lovely potato pancake sit and do its thing for a good 6 or 7 minutes. I find the easiest way to flip these potatoes is to simply slide the entire potato pancake onto a clean plate, and then with the use of a second plate placed on top, give them a flip and then return them to the hot pan. Give that second side 2 or 3 minutes to crisp up, and when ready, toss the entire pan into a 400-degree oven for an additional 10 to 12 minutes to finish cooking. And take a look at how beautifully golden and crispy those potatoes are. And this has to be one of my favorite sounds. My wife and I love this for breakfast on a weekend. I like to top it with a couple of fried eggs, fresh cut chives from my garden, add a little flaky sea salt, and you have one of the most amazing breakfasts. So how good are these?
Oh, so good.
If you like this video, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe, and let me know in the comments below what your favorite way to make hash browns are.